Welcome to Stockley Training Video Series. In this video I am going to show you how to use all videos, portrait videos, landscape and animated videos in Stockley. Go to left menu and click on All Videos. Now you are on All Image section. You can search videos by keyword. And your search results are here. You can preview it. Download it. You can also edit it. If you want to edit the video, click on Edit button. Now you are on Video Editor. You can edit your video with a vast variety of tools with our video editor. For portrait videos, go to the left menu and click on Portrait Videos. Now you are on Portrait Videos section. You can search all portrait videos by keyword. And all of your search data is here. You can preview it. Download it. You can also edit it. For landscape videos, go to left menu and click on Landscape Videos. Now you are on Landscape Videos section. You can search landscape videos by your desired keywords. Your search results are here. You can preview it. Download it. And also edit it. For animated videos, go to left menu and click on Animated Videos. Now you are on Animated Videos section. You can search animated videos by keywords. All of your search data is here. You can preview it. Download it. Or edit it. Thanks for watching the video.